Wabla abi nyeme ni call me. Me nganye me that nimba nyede umanye. Let me speak English because this video actually I'm here to appreciate and say big up to everyone who is not a native. I mean, here we talk about Ga and the Ga language, promoting the Ga language, the culture, food, and everything here in Ga. So, if you are watching me and you can speak Ga and understand Ga, and to the better of it, cry if you can read and write, but you are not a Ga, Charlie, I take off my hat for you, because Charlie Amakebo, Ona, the respect because of what is happening here in Accra, and you being able to speak and learn the language, ni OGA me, OGA me, but you can speak the language. That shows how matured you are. That shows how civilized you are. It also shows how intelligent and wise you are, okay? Because definitely if anyone travels to any other country, let's say China, any other country, Russia, whatever, they take it upon themselves to learn the language of where they are. But it's unfortunately here in Africa that we do this tribalism, this kind of division, and disgust people's language. Do you get it? It's only in Africa we do it. Even when we have foreigners coming to Ghana, they try to learn any of the local language. So if you are not part of that gang, the other group that will say, me, this language I don't understand. Now your language, where is it going? But you didn't join them, but were able to learn and then speak their gang. I respect you, and I'll say continue doing that. Learn more language, because when you learn more than one language, especially to your native language or your mother tongue, it opens your mind. It makes you wise. It helps you to connect more. It even extends your boundaries, because you can now communicate to more people. So I salute you, and I hope you continue to advise people to learn not only one language but their language. I love you, and I'll see you. My name is Nia aka Ganyo. Hola, Bawo, peace out.